Hello and Tanse Bonjour, everybody. It's Dallas Arcand here. Just wanted to say good morning and give you an update. Today's Monday, and as you know, I've moved into Kelowna, BC. Beautiful British Columbia. As you can see, the mountains nearby. Just another day in paradise, and I thought I would share my little slice of paradise with you, and just let you guys know that I'm doing okay. And yeah, I did some music this weekend. I've been really working hard on my new music. I did a show this weekend for the Powwow collective out of Alberta, and some friends of mine actually participated in it. So for those of you that watched and supported, thank you so much. And yeah, I just want to say thanks. Anyways, I just finished my jog, so I'm still kind of sweating. I've been jogging about 5 kilometers per day, and that's kind of my new Pow-wow Dance Aerobics for now, until I haven't quite found a place yet where I can broadcast and have Wi-Fi at the same time, because at my apartment it's it's kind of challenging, because I only get Wi-Fi in my apartment. I can't do Pow-wow Dance Aerobics in there. Well, I can, but I don't want to wake up the neighbors, you know. So yeah, this is my option, I guess, to just get out in the elements. That's what I'm here for in BC, and I'm loving it. So, you know, this is my Monday workout. I'm just kind of on the end part of my jog, and just encouraging you guys to keep working out and keep doing all the things that I showed you. And you could always make yourself the best life based off of just doing what you want and loving what you do. And this is what I love, though. Like, I love the water. I love how calming and how it flows. The sound of the water is just amazing. Being by the water, it's good healing energy for me. And I've been thinking a lot too about my intentions too, like being down here. Like, I want to, this is my way of getting inspired, I guess, to create new work. And this is where I'm finding a lot of good vibes, a lot of peacefulness, a lot of harmony, a lot of connectivity. Just watching the wildlife, and watching the ducks and the geese and everything, all nature, all in harmony. And that's what's giving me new inspiration for my music. And yeah, I think I'll play a flute song here either this evening or tomorrow. I'll play some music for you guys. I'll do a little flute ensemble, if you may. And yeah, I'm just enjoying this time to myself. I needed this for a long time. I needed to just get away from home for a bit, to just find myself again, and find the things that I'm passionate about as an artist, as a person. You know, it's a hard thing to do. Like, I don't want to just settle for anything. I don't want to just settle for res life. I just got to get out there, you know. It's like the elders, or the one elder I heard speak, like, you know, we may live a free lifestyle in the res, kinda, because we get a free housing and that, but we're not really free, you know. Like, so you're not free until you can follow your dreams, until you can live your dreams, until you can find the things you're passionate about. And that's for me, like, that's what I strive for. I'm not just gonna settle for the status quo. I'm not just gonna settle for the perpetual res life and the dysfunctional things that come with it. You know, I love everybody back home, but you know, I think I can do better if I go and find my passion and live my passion and take some of those things that I'm passionate about and really live them and show them and show people how beautiful life can be. So with that, I just wanted to share a moment and reflect with you on this and just say good morning and wish you guys a good day and share this beautiful, peaceful moment with the water and the rocks, the mountains, the ever-shaping, changing landscape here. It's beautiful. So you guys have a good day, and I wish you all the best and stay blessed. Peace and out.